Hello everyone, this is Just a Dad. Today I'm going to do a review and show you the 3 reasons why I love the Fanttik V8 Mate Ultra Light Cordless Vacuum Cleaner. Reason number 1 is it's just really lightweight and easy to use. The second one is it's really powerful. We turn it on, starts in low, we can go up to high. And the third reason is it's easy to clean. So when you pick up all the dirt and debris, you're going to take it to the trash can, open that safety latch right there, and then press the button, everything comes out. But you are going to have to clean these filters once in a while, rotate this. Then you're going to pull this little filter out. And then it has a pre-filter on it. So rotate that off. That's a HEPA filter that you are going to have to clean once in a while. I blow these off. And then about every second or third time, you got to rinse them off with water. And then put them back in. Make sure they're nice and dry. You're simply just going to push it back in. There's a seal. And then find the little gray dot, rotate it to the lock position. It does charge with USB-C, and it charges with 5 volts 3 amps or 9 volts 2 amps so that you can fast charge it in 2 hours. Now in eco mode, which is the first one, it'll last up to 30 minutes. In high, it'll last up to 10 minutes. Now the attachments are super easy to put on. You just simply push them on until they click. This is like a little brush. We can take the brush on and off. That's like a felt. If we want to do some dusting with it, or if we want to like vacuum the car, this works really good. Crevice tool. Again, they're angled, super easy to put on. Then we can also put on this wand. And now I could set this in the cup holder or something, set it down, and this will extend about 3 feet. And I love that I get a nice bag. This is a very durable bag that I can put all of this in to keep it. Now it does come with the cable, the USB-C, the USB-A. You got to get a power supply to plug it in. But when you plug it in, this light's going to breathe to let you know that it's charging. When it's fully charged, that light will go out. Okay, I'm going to try it in this chair, but this would work really good and the same in your car. So turn it on. I'm going to go to high power. This is the attachment that'll make those nice lines. We can see everything's going in. It's grabbing the hairs, pulling them off of the fiber or the cloth. Now let's put the crevice tool on. Wow, it's doing a really good job on the crevice. I can stick that down there really far. So we were able to clean this up lickety-split. There we go. Okay, let's take the attachment off. We can see, oh, I forgot to push that. Make sure that's a safety, just in case you accidentally press that. You don't want that coming open. So move that, take it over to the trash can. Now it does help if you kind of tap it, get the stuff down there. You might have some stuff kind of stuck up there. That's okay, I'll show you how to get that out also, but press the button and then everything's gonna come out. If it doesn't, rotate this and just keep this at the trash can, pull this out, okay? And now you're gonna get everything off. It's clean. Again, once in a while I do have to clean those, but not every time. Put that back on. Whoops. Find the dot right there, lock, and you're ready to go. Again, here's what the bottom looks like. Charges with USB-C. You're going to plug the charger in just like that. I really do like this Fanttik V8 Mate. I hope this video helps. Thanks everybody for watching.